In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a password field. Let's create one project. We go to project structure, then libraries. We are going to add javafx SDK libraries. Under Java, javafx SDK and library. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now our project can find the javafx SDK library. Open sample fxml in sim builder. Controller class is located on the package name. Let me use anchor pane. One button, then password field. Let me have a text field and then two labels. I will call it as username password. ABL, this is a username. FXID LBL username. LBL password. TF username. This is password field, so PF password. TA summary. I will just say OK. BTN OK. Continue at data field. So just look at controller is located on the package name called sample, then sample.fxml. Again, we will change the private for data field. You may need to add annotations called fxml. I just missed one, so let me just add it. Okay. The username getText. This is password field, pfPassword, getText again. Let me just add a new line. Okay, build it. Modify options, then VM options. Module path. Paste it. Add modules. We're going to add two of them, javafx.controls and then javafx.fxml. Run it. So when you type username, you can see, but when you type the password, you won't be able to see that. But if you submit it, you can get that value for the username password. Let me put the label, then okay, there was one mistake, so let me open with the sim builder label. I will change to password. Save it. Run it again. Now you can see the label for password, username and password. Okay, that's all. Thank you.